Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a homemade raspberry lemonade drink. Okay? First one, the ingredients that you need is lemonade. It could be fresh or powdered. Right now I just have powdered. 1 lemon and blackberries. Okay? And a cup. So first you're going to fill the cup with ice to about like here. No, more like there. Okay? Be right back and I'll do that. Okay, I have the ice in the cup, but I also forgot you need 2 spoons, a knife, and a cutting board. But please, if you've never used a knife before, please ask a parent or a sibling that has. Okay. Now you have your cup with ice in it. And I have to set this down because I can't really do it. I don't know. So I've moved to the camera, and you'll take your 2 spoons and raspberries. So you scoop of the raspberries like that, and take the other spoon and squish them. Okay, it's called bruising. If you don't want to completely squish them, then you just okay, and do that again until you have enough blackberries you like. And so I'm going to do 1 more scoop. And, okay, now squeeze and go. Okay. I will go down then. I think that's good enough. And I will show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and I have my blackberries in there with my ice. Now we're going to take the lemon. Please don't do it with one hand. I just don't have another hand. Oh, maybe. But I'll be right back when the lemon is cut because I can't do it with one hand. Okay, I've cut my 2 lemons. And so if you're fine with seeds in it, then you don't need to take out any of the seeds. If you aren't, then you can just squeeze the juice into another bowl, and then you can squeeze all the lemon juice out of it. Okay, so now you just squeeze the juice in, and so I'm going to squeeze that and there. See, there's just a seed in there, but it's gonna be fine. Okay. Now I am going to add 1 more lemon into it. And so right now I'll just talk to you guys. Right now on my channel, it's new, and I am figuring out what I am doing on it. Okay? So I've done a gaming video, doing this video, but I might do a slime video. Who knows? Just give me some suggestions. Okay. I'm going to do that, but my hands are covered with lemon juice, so I'm going to clean them up and put these in the compost. Okay, I cleaned up my area, my hands are dry, and I took away the lemons, cutting board, and knife. Okay, so I have the lemon juice in there and the blackberries. Now you're going to want to pour in the lemonade to as full as you want it. I'm going to do it like there. Yeah. And now you're going to take a spoon that you used to squish them, just mix it up. Mix it. It looks a little browner on camera, but it's more pink off, but that's okay. And you'll have a drink, blackberry lemonade drink. Tastes really good. Bye.